In this video, I'll show you how to change the default font, size, style, and color in Microsoft Outlook. If you want every new email in Outlook to look the way you prefer, you can change the default font settings in just a few steps. This is useful if you want your messages to look more professional, easier to read, or simply match your personal style. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. After that, select Options from the menu. This will open the Outlook Options window where you can customize different settings. Next, click on Mail from the list on the left side. In the Mail section, look for the button called Stationery and Fonts and click on it. This is where Outlook lets you control the default appearance of your emails. You'll now see different sections for new mail messages, replying or forwarding messages, and composing and reading plain text messages. To change the default font for new emails, click the Font button under New Mail Messages. A new window will appear. Here, you can choose the font style, such as Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. You can also select the font size you want to use by default. Below that, you'll see options for font color. Pick the color you want for your email text. Many people choose black, dark blue, or another easy-to-read color for a clean and professional look. After choosing your preferred style, size, and color, click OK. If you also want the same settings for replies and forwarded emails, repeat the same process in that section as well. Once everything is set, click OK to close each window and save your changes. From now on, whenever you create a new email in Outlook, it should use your new default font settings automatically. It's a good idea to open a new message after that just to test it. This helps you confirm that the font looks exactly the way you want before you start sending emails. And that's how to change the default font size, style, and color in Microsoft Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.